Hello everyone! Welcome to Bright Lab Tutorials. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button to keep you updated on my tutorials. Ngayon, pag-aaralan natin paano mag-multiply at mag-divide ng rational expressions. Halimbawa, meron tayong expression na 9x squared plus 18x over x plus 2 times 1 over x minus 2. Kailangan lang nating isimplify lahat. Okay? So, tingnan natin tong first term. Kunin natin yung common factor ng first term, okay, na nasa numerator. We can see na ang common factor niyan ay 9x. Then, i-divide natin. 9x squared divided by 9x will give us x plus 18x divided by 9x is 2 over x plus 2 times 1 over x minus 2. You notice na x plus 2 is common to the numerator and denominator of this term, so we can cancel. And then let's see kung meron pa tayong pwede i-cancel. Wala na. So let's multiply 9x times 1. That will give us 9x over, okay, by the way, this one is simply 1. 1 times x minus 2 is simply x minus 2. So this is our final answer. 7y squared minus 28y over y minus 4 times 1 over 5y squared. So titignan natin yung numerator natin ng first term, may common factor. Common factor niya is 7y. Okay? Labas natin yung common factor and then i-divide natin to. 7y squared divided by 7y is simply y minus 28y minus 7y is 4 over y minus 4 times 1 over 5y squared. Upon looking, we can see now we can cancel this one. And also, you notice merong y dito, meron ding y squared dito. So, itong y na to, it has an exponent of 1. And then we can cancel this with this one, so leaving us with just 7 times 1 is 7 over, okay, by the way, this is 1 times 5y, simply 5y. So this now is our final answer. Next, tignan natin tong example na to. 1 over x minus 4 times x squared minus 7x plus 12 over x plus 3. Okay, first, copy muna natin yung first term. Then, multiply by, okay, this is a trinomial, so kunin natin yung factors ng trinomial. Now, factors ng x squared ay x and x. And then, factors ng 12 na magbibigay sa atin ng sum na negative 7 is simply negative 4 and negative 3. And then, we copy natin yung denominator, x plus 3. Okay, notice na pwede natin i-cancel ito at ito rin, right? Leaving us with just 1 times x minus 3 is simply x minus 3 over 1 times x plus 3 is x plus 3. Okay, next, 7 over x squared plus 5x plus 4 times x squared plus 8x plus 7 over x plus 7. So, i-factor natin yung denominator nito. Factors ng x squared ay x and x. Factors ng 4 na magbibigay sa atin ng positive 5x is simply plus 4 and plus 1. Times, okay, factor natin yung numerator dito. Factor ng x squared is x and x. At factor ng 7 na magbibigay sa atin ng positive 8 is simply plus 7 and plus 1 over the denominator of x plus 7. Okay. You notice, pwede tayong mag-cancel nitong x plus 7 here, tsaka ito. Ganun din dito. Leaving us with just 7 times 1 is 7 over x plus 4. Okay, ngayon puntahan naman natin yung division. Remember, sa division, katulad din to ng pag-divide natin ng fraction. Example, meron tayong 3 over 4 divided by 1/2. We simply get the reciprocal of this and then papalitan natin yung operation into multiplication. So, to do this, gagawin natin siyang 3 over 4 times the reciprocal of the second term, which is 2 over 1. And then we simply simplify. Yung method na to, i-apply din natin sa division ng rational expression. We have m minus 4 over, let's get the common factor of 3m squared minus 24m. Common factor nito is 3m. Okay, let's bring it out. And then, i-divide natin. 3m squared divided by 3m is simply m. Minus 24m divided by 3m is 8. We get the reciprocal of this and change the operation to multiplication. So, gagawin natin itong multiply by the reciprocal m minus 8 over m minus 4. And then, upon looking, we can say na pwede natin i-cancel to. Ganon din ito. Leaving us with 1 over 3m. And that is our final answer. For our next example, x minus 6 divided by x squared minus 9x plus 18 over 3. Okay, yung first expression natin or yung first term natin, let's treat that as a whole number. Since we're dealing with fraction, gawin natin tong fraction din. Now, kapag whole number, ang denominator natin is simply 1. Okay? So, rewriting this. And then, i-change natin to. Kunin natin yung reciprocal and change the sign to multiplication. So, magiging 3 over, kunin natin yung factors ng trinomial. So, factors ng x squared is x and x. Factors ng 18 that will give us negative 9 is simply negative 6 and negative 3. So notice na pwede tayong mag-cancel dito. X minus 6 tsaka x minus 6. Leaving us with 3 over x minus 3. And that's our final answer. Okay, for our next example, it's a combination na ng multiplication at division. Okay, tingnan muna natin tong first term na to. I-factor muna natin yung numerator. So, factor ng trinomial, x squared is simply x and x. Factors ng negative 2 na magbibigay sa atin ng positive 1 is simply minus 1 plus 2 over, kunin natin yung factors ng denominator. So, x squared, factor natin yan. That will give us x and x. And then factors ng 6 na magbibigay sa atin ng negative 7, x will be negative 1 and negative 6. Okay? And then, copy natin tong second term. X minus 6 over 3. And then, itong last term na to, since this is division, change natin yung operation to multiplication at kunin natin yung reciprocal. So, 15 over x plus 2. Okay? Notice, lahat naka-factor na. So, let's simplify by canceling. Okay, x minus 1, pwede natin i-cancel dito. X plus 2, cancels with this. X minus 6, cancel with that. And then ito, we can divide both by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1 and 15 divided by 3 is 5. So leaving us with simply 5 as our final answer. Remember, sa rational expression, yung concept ng multiplication and division in ordinary fraction is still applied here. So I hope itong mga exercises na to will help you understand this concept better. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching!